Keshav is going to identify his letter sounds. Wait, you're gonna give me the letter of the sounds that I'm making, okay? Which letter sounds? Letter H. Give me the letter H. Yes, good job. All right, you're right. It's letter H sound. Can you tell me which letter sounds? Oh, yes, it's letter L. Nice job. Give me. All right, now which letter sounds? B. Letter B. Nice job. Give me. Now next, listen. Which letter sounds? T, t. Letter T. Nice job. Okay, which letter sounds? W, w. Yes, it's W. Which letter sounds? K, k. Letter K. Nice job. Which letter sounds? D, 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 D. Yes, letter D. Nice job. Which letter sounds? P, P. Letter P. Very good. Which letter sounds? Qua, qua. Letter Q. Nice job. Which letter sounds? Yeah. Yes, it's letter Y. Which letter sounds? J. J. Very good, Keshav. Which letter sounds? A, A. Letter A. Nice job. Which letter sounds? Yeah, you got it. Letter F. Nice job. Which letter sounds? V, V. Yes, letter V. Which letter sounds? N, N. Yes, good job. Letter N. Which letter sounds? G, G. Yes, letter G. Good job. Which letter sounds? R. Yes, letter R. Which letter sounds? E, E. Yes, letter E. Which letter sounds? X, 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 or Z. Yes, letter X. Good job. Which letter sounds? A. Which letter sounds? That's O. O. Which letter sounds? O. A. Yes, letter U for umbrella. Which letter sounds? Z. Letter Z. Nice job. Which letter sounds? K, 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 K. Yes, as in car. Letter C. Which letter sounds? M. Yes, letter M. Which letter sounds? E. E. Yes, letter I for igloo. Which letter sounds? S, S. Letter S. Nice job. And which letter sounds? O for octopus. O for octopus. Letter O. Nice job. Very good, Keshav.